Today, we're going to talk about 5 SEO quote unquote quick fixes to boost your site today. Neil.
Number one, I want you to do is leverage. I forgot the name of what it's called. I should know. When they put your files everywhere on the web, what's Cloudflare called? I'm
Oh,
missing
the
this.
Cloudflare Edge workers?
Not Cloudflare Edge Workers, but what is it called? Where it puts your content everywhere all over the
CDNs,
web.
content
What?
delivery networks.
There you go, CDN. I was like missing on the name. I'm like, I don't know why. I've talked about CDNs for so many times, but I've been blanking. It's my blonde moment of the day, although technically I don't really have any hair on my head. So with the CDN, what most people do is they just put their static content on a CDN. This has really helped my Google page speed score. I put my dynamic content on a CDN as well as the static content, because in that way my files are on the closest server to where the individual's pinging my site from or trying to load up my site from. So if they're in India, pushes from a server from India. If they're in Brazil, pushes from a server in Brazil, etc. And that's really helped boost my site speed, which helps boost rankings.
Yeah, don't forget to use Google Page Insights or use Pingdom or whatever to track your speed. Number 2 from my side would be using or updating your content. So what you can do is this is to boost your site, but in my opinion, this is to boost your traffic. All right. So updating your content, you can use, we have a free content decay tool for ClickFlow. You can take a look at that. You can see when your traffic's dropping for your most important pages or your most traffic pages, and figure out ways to update those pieces of content to boost your traffic for your site.
Number 3, one thing that I want you to start doing is go through your site and look for any usability issues. So pop-ups that can really mess up the user experience, load your site up from mobile, see if it's hard for them to read the content, because usability is a big factor in 2021 for Google. They have something called the page experience algorithm or page level experience. It's one of the, I think it's called page experience, although algorithm update. So if you can make sure that your site is very user friendly, especially on mobile devices, because they're rolling it out first on mobile devices, it'll ensure that your rankings not just stay where they are, but they can also climb.
All right. Number 4, last but not least from my side, Hrefs using their SEO Health Tool. So the beauty of that is basically it gives you like an SEO audit every week, and it gives you a health score scored on a scale of 0 to 100, I believe. And you can just send that over to your developers and just make sure that you're dotting the I's, crossing the T's in terms of the basics of SEO.
And number 5, one thing that a lot of people aren't doing is going to Google Search Console, looking at your top 10 pages. And if you have a blog, link to the top 10 pages on the sidebar, assuming you also believe that they can drive you good leads or customers or sales. And what you'll find is within 6 months of doing that, those pages will just rank higher. It's simple. It's silly. Most people don't do that though.
All right, that is it for today. Marketingschool.io/pro, $1 trial for 14 days to join our marketing community. We're on a brand new platform now. There's other stuff in there, a lot of goodies. And that is it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so Neil Patel and I are doing a education program around Marketing School Pro, and all you have to do is put in $1 for a 14-day trial, and what you will get is exclusive content. You get monthly Ask Me Anythings. You will get an ad-free version of the podcast. You'll get monthly show notes as well, and you'll get access to a marketing community of geniuses such as yourself. So if this is something you're looking for, I always talk about the power of peer groups, then all you have to do is click to learn more. All it is $1 for 14 days, and you will get massive value or you lose $1. All right, so that's it for this. Hope to see you inside.